Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Sade. I do lifestyle vlogs and fashion content. If you're older but a goodie, welcome back. Also, it's Tuesday and it's around 2 o'clock. I've been editing my Mexico vlog pretty much the entire morning and I'm having so much fun editing. I'm just like reliving the whole vacation. Like, you ever like go on vacation and then when you get back and you watch all your clips, whatever you recorded and look at your pictures, you just get happy like all over again. That's kind of how I was like feeling this morning as I was editing. It's nowhere near finished. I literally probably made it through like 6 minutes and I don't know how long it's gonna be. It is gonna be one full vlog. Anyway, I am in front of Old Navy right now. I do want to go in there. They have their little super cash thingy going on. I have two, I think, that I want to use. I always use this time to like buy what I always want from Old Navy, because is it just me or can they be very pricey? Very pricey. And y'all probably tired of seeing this top. This is from Old Navy. I'm going in there. Hopefully they have more in different colors because I love it. It's probably my only top that I have that I don't have to wear a bra with. Oh, and if you are big busted, you know it's a struggle for us to be out here with no bra on one. So whenever I get the opportunity to wear this, I'm gonna wear it. So if y'all tired of seeing it, I'm so sorry. I don't know what to tell y'all. Just pray that Old Navy have different colors that I can get. I don't know what it is, y'all, but lately every time I get Starbucks, I just feel very nauseous and just like I can't do it. So we're not getting Starbucks today. I haven't eaten today. I need to work on eating because I've been having this consistent migraine for a little bit now and I don't feel stressed. I don't know if it's stress related. I don't know where it's coming from, but I'm trying to eat at a certain time. I feel like I fell out of my routine a little bit and I'm not eating like on time. Like it's 2:13 right now and I haven't eaten anything. But I'm saying all that to say I got there's this place called Clean Juice that I got an acai bowl from. It's on the same stretch with Old Navy. It's right a couple stores down. So I'm at Old Navy. It's not gonna be ready until 2:22. It's 2:13 right now. So I'm gonna go into Old Navy until that's ready and then I'm gonna pick it up afterwards. They keep it nice and cool for you, so I don't have to worry about it melting or anything. I had a $5 coupon thingy off, so I decided to use it. Dang! It gotta be like that. I don't know if the view looks a little different, but I bought this wide angle lens to attach to my camera, but it's so heavy. My poor little camera is all tilting over, so I don't know. I have a sturdy tripod. Luckily I have a sturdy tripod, so I know that will be good, but like my poor little camera. Anyway, I'm about to go to Old Navy to see what they got, because I want to use these coupons. I think I have like a 30 off 75. I think I have like 2 of those. I forgot the paper version of it, so I'm just gonna pull it up in my email. Super cash. Oh no, I have a $10 off when you spend, what is it? How much you gotta spend? I got $10. I got $10 off when you spend $25, and I have a $30 off when you spend $75. So for real, it's going to be. So for real, they always combine them for me. They're really nice at this Old Navy. So let's go see what we can find.
That's 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I thought I like you. That I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared of you. I'm not. As long as you joking, that way for me. I ain't got it. I've been scheming, doing. I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. For the truth, I look better under you.
Alright, y'all. So I went to Old Navy. I couldn't vlog in there because what's up with these stores and playing music? But that's selfish. That's so selfish of me. But I saw work clothes. Like they have clothes out for like professional wear, and I got triggered. I said, I don't need this negativity in my life right now. Like I'm not even thinking about work. I'm 3 weeks out and I don't want to start thinking about it. Unfortunately, I do have to think about it. But I bought 2 work pants. Because why not? And what I really went in there for, I got, so I was saying about these tops, I found them. I was trying to rack up on all the colors, but they're $25 a piece. And I don't know in what universe I bought this for 25. No, the last time they had a sale, I bought this. I got the same top in white, and I got it in black. I had gotten this, I took up this copper color, but I'm not spending $75 for 3 tops. Are you crazy? So I got those 2 pants, but like I said, I had the coupon, so it took $30 off, so I ended up paying $40 something for all 4 things, which isn't bad because these pants were included as well. So that's a good buy in my opinion. So y'all, I'm sorry, I'm just going to put y'all right there. So this is the acai bowl. We're gonna do a taste test. I've never had the watermelon one. I always get the berry one. But is this coconut flakes? Okay, I did a little bit of, y'all can't even see it. I did some, there you go. I did a little bit of almond butter. All right, y'all, let's do a taste test of this. Yeah, this is really good. It's so good. I like this more than the berry one. They also have a watermelon juice. I'm gonna try that someday this week. The flavor of the mix is so good. I can't imagine what the actual juice tastes like. I'm gonna try my acai bowl. Then I eat out my acai bowl. Don't run. Where are you going? Show us. Show us you eating my acai bowl. After they say no taste too good.
Alright, yo.
Eat all ID. Show us eating it.
Yo,
okay. Got him. Hey y'all, excuse the angle. Y'all are seeing the steering wheel and frame, but yeah, this is the best way I can prop up the camera right now. So it's a couple hours later. I think the last time I checked in with y'all, showed y'all what I got from Old Navy. Sweets was on the road doing something, so we met up at the house. We ate because I cooked last night, so we had some leftovers. Right now though, Sweets is cooking tonight. He makes the best steamed fish, like, oh. So he's cooking tonight. He's cooking the fish. Me have to cook the rice, but yeah. Anyway, and we want some drinks. We want some margarita. He just went to the liquor store, but they didn't have the Casamigo that we want. We want the Blanco one. They only had like the brown one, the agave one. Well, I think both of them got agave, right? But the brown one, I liked that one once upon a time, but now I don't really like it. So Sweets went in because he was like, let me just get started on the fish and stuff. And I was like, all right, cool. I'm gonna go on the road and I'm grabbing the ingredients for the drinks. I kind of want to make some margarita. Usually when I make margarita, it's just like tequila, the margarita mix, and some ice. But I really want to get all the ingredients, the shaker cup, the margarita glass, everything. So I'm going to the liquor store. Well, right now, yeah, I'm probably all over the place, but the first thing, because that's how my brain works, because I left out the house to go to the liquor store to get the right Casamigo, and I wanted to go up to Ross. I'm gonna surprise Sweets. Well, not really surprised, but like, he just thinks I'm going to the liquor store and coming back, but I'm gonna actually go to Ross to try to find, like, they have like the margarita cup glasses. I want to get like a nice little set of that, and you know, yeah, fancy. Or worst come to worst, we could go to Dollar Tree. For real, maybe I'll go to Dollar Tree and get 2, because Dollar Tree be having margarita glasses. But let's see, I kind of want to go to Ross to see if they have like the shaker set too. But then my brain was like, remember, we need to go to Apple. Apple closes at 6 o'clock. It's 5:35 right now. So I'm heading to Apple because I'm going to go buy an SD card reader for my phone. I have one for my computer, but I need one for my phone because my phone is full, y'all. I can't remember the last time. It's gonna be a little jerk because where I'm driving is brick roads. So I can't remember the last time my phone memory got full, but it's currently full. And I know it's because of Kai, because I literally record everything of Kai. I take pictures of Kai, like, yeah. So it's been a couple years since I ran out of storage on my phone. So I decided that I'm gonna go get the SD card reader. I'm gonna get an SD card and just like put those files onto the SD card and like clear my phone, because I was editing the Mexico vlog this morning and I needed footage from the GoPro SD card, and I usually put it on the GoPro app on my phone, and the app was just like, your phone is full, so we can't transfer the things that way. Granted, there are ways around like me getting the footage off the SD card, but I want the SD card reader so I can clear my phone too. And I'll probably stop by Target to get an SD card. I don't know, I'm saying all of this because I know I probably don't have time to do it tomorrow, because Sweets got a soccer game. Sweets have a football game tomorrow. And I'm gonna go. So while he's playing ball, I just edit or doing whatever, because I'm not gonna be watching the whole time. No sorry. So yeah, I'm just trying to set up everything, because usually I get a burst of energy in the morning to edit. So I kind of want to like do that. Hopefully all that makes sense. To summarize, we're going to Apple first, get an SD card reader, and then I am going to... Then we're going to make some drinks. We're going to make some margarita. A fun fact about me, margaritas are my favorite drinks ever. Like, once you say margarita, if you invited me out and margarita not there, don't invite me out. I'm just saying. Whether it's on the rocks or frozen, just please. So yeah, I'm gonna check back in once I pick everything up, and then we're gonna make some drinks. I got both things that I needed as far as the SD card goes and the reader, but I was struggling to open this SD card thing. One thing about me, I'm impatient, so no, I'm not waiting till I go home to try this. I'm trying it right now. We secured it. Let's see what this has to do. I'll figure it out and I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm at the liquor store right now, so I'm about to go in and grab the Casamigo. Hopefully they have the tie-in ring thing, like, you know, you can dip the front of the glass, not the front of the glass, the rim of the glass in tie-in. Hopefully they have that, so I can just do that. Update, no freaking luck, y'all. No luck for the cocktail shaker and no luck for the margarita glasses. I don't feel like going to Dollar Tree. We just gonna have to use something in the house, honey. We just gonna have to use something in the house, because I'm tired. Like, the road is so full. Like, today's Saturday, so the road is like congested. So driving alone did it for me. The good thing is we have the main ingredients, so we just gonna have to make it do what it do. All right, y'all, here go dinner, here go the drinks. Hey y'all, so it's the next day. It's like late, it's like nighttime. It's like 8 o'clock, I think, or almost 8, 10:46. I'm about to work on this wig. I want to film this hair video. I already filmed this hair for a company, however the footage got damaged, so I have to refilm it. So I washed it and everything. I braided it up so I can straighten it in sections, because I hate like when the hair is falling in the spot of where I am, you know, trying to straighten. I'm not feeling the best right now. I've been telling y'all, I've been getting these migraines, kicked my ass. My cycle is on, like everything. Sweets just left. Well, not just left, Sweets left. He didn't just leave. But yeah, so I'm here about to straighten this hair. I just wanted to check in today. I feel like I always like kill vlogging one day and then the next day I crash. But my battery's blinking. So I'll catch y'all. I'm not really doing anything. I'm just watching my girl Amina Coco on YouTube, and I am about to straighten this hair. And I made myself a nice little margarita, and that's what we're doing. So see y'all in the next, so see y'all in the next clip. I just wanted to come and make sure that I'm checking in at least once a day, because I hate when I be like, oh, it's a couple days later, you know. But yeah, see y'all in the next clip. Hey guys, so it's the next day. I am heading to the Apple store because my AirPods yesterday, I washed them in the washing machine by accident, obviously, and I can hear from them, but like when I'm on the phone, you can't hear me speak. So I'm gonna take them back to the Apple store. I have I'm driving. I have warranty on them, so I made an appointment at the Apple store yesterday for $255, and I thought it was at $355. So obviously I didn't make it. They canceled it. They're about to close in like 20 minutes. I'm gonna try my luck and see if they will take me as just like a walk-in, because I need my AirPods. I cannot do it without my AirPods. Like, they so convenient, because I hate holding my phone to my ears. Like, ugh, hate it. So I'm gonna go and try to get them either replaced, fixed, whatever. I'm not gonna tell them that I watched it though. I googled it, and Google said that they don't know how to detect if it was water damage like their other devices. So I'm not gonna tell them that I watched it. I'm gonna be just like, it was working fine, and then now it's not, and see what they say. Hopefully I don't gotta pay nothing, but even if I do, it probably costs less than buying a new pair. But yeah, I got up today and I filmed 2 videos, y'all. 2. Actually, I was supposed to just film one, this hair video for a company, but I was just like, why not kill 2 birds with 1 stone? And I did 2 videos. I'm so fucking proud of myself. Like, 2 of them feel accomplished. And I'm uploading the video today. Who is she? I'm on my Zoom, okay? I'm not playing. If the camera is shaky, I'm in the car, and I'm probably tired for you. I'm telling you something, I don't have a car tripod. We're gonna get one eventually. So guys, I am rushing. I have like 10 minutes to get there. Well, it's 10 minutes before they close. I don't know if they're gonna take me, but we're gonna see, because I really need my AirPods. I mean, it's not a big deal if I have to come back tomorrow, but I'd rather get it today. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Mirror to that, c'est pas ça, come up on my foot. I'll cause me a rush. Guys, no freaking luck. They said tomorrow, and really and truly then could I do it, you know, but I didn't want to go. But I understand being at work and wanting to go home, so I made another one for tomorrow. I'm not gonna miss that one because I don't have anything doing tomorrow. It's because I was filming today, and in my mind it was at 3:55 and not 2:55. So I don't have anything doing at that time tomorrow, so I can just go tomorrow, hopefully, and just get more fresh pair. I wouldn't mind. These are like my 4th freaking AirPods. No, like, maybe I'm a 3rd. I need to, I wouldn't mind and get more, just like a fresh pair. And I just got these maybe 6 months ago too, because I had misplaced my 1 pair, and then I found it after I bought these. Sad, sad, sad. And I don't have the other pair either. But I'm hungry now. I don't really have much to do. Maybe I did want to do some stuff on the road today. I was supposed to go to the bank. The bank is now closed. So I'll probably still go to the ATM. I'll just do one thing and go, because the ATM not gonna give me enough, so I'll have to go back tomorrow. So might as well just go tomorrow and done. They want to go see if Marshalls or TJ Maxx have any new skincare, but I have a video idea, so I might save that. I don't know what I want, but I know I'm hungry. You hungry, Kay? I'm not hungry. I'm not cook, I'm sorry. I'm not cook. So I'll come back once I figure out what I'm actually gonna do, because I can feel this headache coming on. My head not hurt me today, you know. Let me not jinx it, but I don't want to start, so I need to go eat something. Guys, I feel like my majority of the vlog so far has been in the car. I promise I'll not vlog as much in the car for the rest of the vlog. However, we got Chick-fil-A. We're eating in the car because I need to go into Target, and I can't wait till I go home. So we got Chick-fil-A. I got a spicy chicken sandwich with fries, and I stopped at Wendy's to get Wendy's pineapple mango lemonade. So good. I devoured my fries already. I'm about to eat my chicken sandwich. And that's basically all I'm doing, and I'm watching a YouTube video at the same time. My video went public at 7, so that's doing. I'm gonna head over there when I'm done, so I answer to any comments. I try to stay active for a little bit once my video is posted, so I can respond. I feel like I need one full day, and tomorrow might be that day. That's probably my goal tomorrow, to like sit down and respond to my comments, because I never want to come off like, oh, I'm too good to respond to comments, or I don't have time. It does take a lot sometimes, but y'all take time out of y'all busy days to comment. The least I could do is respond. So tomorrow is what I'm going to use to like literally sit down and respond to as much as possible. But yeah, I'm gonna eat the sandwich, and I'm gonna see y'all when we get in Target. Hey y'all, so I'm in Marshall's doing my weekly rounds, and I'm in the skincare section as usual. I'm looking, but they don't really got nothing this week. Did find some pair of sandals to wear to work. It's sad that I have to start thinking about back to school and back to work, but I saw these were perfect. I do want to like dress differently from how I dress in the past to work. I mean, I be dressing some days, but I want to dress up like on a consistent basis. I want to be like, you know, eating the girls up, as my students would say. But anyway, music is playing in here. I don't know if I'm going to get copyright for this portion, but I did want to just check in and show y'all they really don't have any skincare this week. The only thing that I see right now that I probably would get is this. I love I always call them Tea Tree Hut, but I love Tree Hut face scrubs. The one that I have right now is the blueberry something, and it smells so good. They all smell good. This even smells good, but I don't really need it technically. I'll just be buying it just because. But they don't really have anything this week. So I think the only thing I'm going to get from here are these. But so far, nothing at all. And I work in sections. I take my little time, honey. They're about to close, but so I need to speed this up a little bit. But all in all, I don't really see anything. Nope. I'm gonna check TJ Maxx tomorrow, because I don't think I'm gonna make it tonight. They're definitely gonna close by the time I get back up there. Here's my look, y'all. I just got caught in the rain, but I got to the Apple store, and they ran like this 10-minute test on my AirPods. The guy said it was like a sound check, and like I think it's like a diagnostic, and the system is requiring them to ship my AirPods to Apple, and for them to test it out or whatever, and then send it back. So he said at max it's gonna take about 3 days. So I don't have my AirPods. The first question he asked me, like, did they accidentally get washed in the washing machine? I said no. Y'all figure it out. No. He was like, at most they will fix it, or they will replace it. So whatever the case is, I'll keep you updated with that. But I'm not admitting to it. I'm sorry. I am so sorry. But I'm not. It's 3 o'clock right now. I didn't eat. I keep saying I need to eat better, but I didn't eat. I think I'm gonna go to Clean Juice and get me an acai bowl. I'm cooling off of Starbucks for now. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna get an acai bowl, and I'm gonna check back with y'all. Kai comes today. I'm excited to see him. I miss him. So I'll keep you updated with that. It's pouring out. I wanted to go on the road today, but it's pouring, so I don't really know what the plan is for today. But whatever it is, y'all will see. I went to Clean Juice, and I didn't get the acai bowl. I got the hydrating one. It has watermelon, pineapple, and mint. And I told them to add ginger. Oh, straw is flimsy. So we're gonna taste. Give it a nice little stir. It's good. I've been feeling really dehydrated lately, so I'm like, let me get this one. And also be mindful to drink more water today. But it's really good. It's refreshing. I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's 3:30. I think I have another like 3 hours to pick up Mommy and Kai. And I'm hungry, but you know, I don't have an appetite, if that makes sense. Like, I'm hungry, but I don't have an appetite. That's why I'm like, let me just get the juice and see where it takes my taste buds, because I don't feel like eating anything around here. I had Chick-fil-A yesterday. That's probably the only thing I feel like I could eat, their fries. But I was craving the fries specifically, like fresh out, nice and crispy, and nothing else but the fries. So and that's not like, child, I don't know. And this is basically like a freaking car vlog. Like, I feel like I spent the majority of today's video in the car. But please don't be mad. I'm really not trying to vlog in a house like that, y'all, because I don't be doing nothing. So I'm like, let me get out, and every time I get out, I'm in the car. So on the list today, I gotta go to the bank because I didn't get to go yesterday. I want to go in a Target because I didn't go yesterday. And that's about all I have to do today. Yeah, let's go to the bank. I'm not even going into the bank. I'm going right to the drive-thru. Because it's mucky out, and my pants that I have on are long, and because I'm short, oh shit, I can't go that way, and because I'm short, it always like touches the ground, and I don't want to do that because it's wet, and I hate when the back of my pants is wet. Child, don't even freaking get me started. Y'all, the sky is about to open up. Like, it started raining a little bit, but let me show y'all. It is gonna pour. I'm taking my black ass in the house. It's gonna pour down. I'm going in the house. Whoa, I saw the rain from down there and it just hit the car. That's so cool. But it's raining. I'm taking my ass in the house. Like, I'm driving. Nope. I'm going in the house until my mom and Kai gets here. I miss him. Y'all, look at them. This big old truck come block me, but oh my god. I didn't even check the weather to know that it was gonna rain. I think this is God trying to tell me to go in and edit. So I'm gonna go in. It's probably gonna take me a little drive to go home and edit. I'm sorry if the vlog is not that entertaining, y'all, but I'm trying to just like show y'all the reality of what's going on in my life. Hey guys, the lighting is bad, but I'm at the airport now. Turn this off for a little bit. So I'm at the airport now. My mom didn't come out yet. They landed and everything. But she said the line inside is long. So I'm just waiting on like the, what would you call this? I'm just waiting on the side of the road basically. I'm not supposed to be stopping here. They want us to go park in like the parking lot, but I'm not doing that. Because when you go there, you have to drive all the way back around to get there. So I just stopped on the shoulder of the road with my flashers on. And they'll come, and she'll call me when she's coming out, so I could just pick them up and go back. I don't know, I just got this tiredness upon me. Lately, I have not been sleeping. I don't think I mentioned it to y'all, but for the past like week, but for the past week, I have not been sleeping. When night come, like, I just be up, and I could be sleepy, and as soon as I go into bed, it's just like I'm up to like 3, 4, 5 in the morning. Like this morning, I know I didn't go to bed until like 5 o'clock, and then I woke up around 11 something, so I still kind of like slept, but right before my mom called, like, I was so tired, like I was so sleepy, and now I'm still tired. Hopefully I can rest tonight. I'll have Kai to cuddle up with, so I'm excited. We're pulling up now. I wait, you know. One white part now.
You see you come. Come to your right, behind the bus. Come over now. I know you. Where I see Mr. Daniel trying to work.
See me here? Me have an indicator, but me not see you.
You see you come.
Are you aware?
Right behind the Jeep, yeah.
But me can't pull over this one with me.
Yes, you can.
Come here, son.
Let's go break when it's so long or something.
I'm not in the road technically.
Alright, don't fall. You know, please. It's the back anyway.
But yes.
You happy? You happy to see mommy? Eh? You happy to see mommy?
Boy, happy to see me.